All right, let's talk about how you can link a text box to a specific cell or cells within Excel. So in this example, we just have some stock information for Apple currently. We have the stock here, the symbol, some other data about the stock. And so we want to insert a text box above that just gives us a snapshot of the symbol of the stock we're looking at and the current price of that stock. So then if we go here and we switch to say Tesla, that it will update our text box automatically. So first thing we need to do is go up to Insert, go over to Text and select Text Box, click and drag to the size that we want. And then once we have our text box created, we want to click within this little formula bar while the text box is selected. We'll go ahead and hit equals. And if we select C7 or the symbol for Apple and we go ahead and hit enter, it'll display AAPL. And then we can obviously format this within the text box, put a little background color here. Let's say we want that to be orange. We want the text to be a little darker and bolded, and so on. Now currently this text box is linked to this one cell. So if we then go back and we type in Tesla and select the Tesla stock, then that will automatically update to whatever is in this cell. So now that's currently linked to one specific cell, but let's say we want to link that to multiple cells to say something to, again, show the ticker symbol and the current price. So if we want this text box to display multiple cells, what we need to do is link this to a different cell using a sort of concatenate formula. So what we'll do is we'll hit equals. We want the ticker symbol to be displayed. And then when you want to combine any other sort of text or cell reference, you'll just hit the and to display that. So what we want this text box to display is the ticker symbol. Then we want it to say current price, semicolon, 427.05. So what we'll do in order to do that is then select the current price cell, since that's already typed out for us. Then we'll hit and quote semicolon space quote to leave a space after the colon. Then we'll hit another @ sign and then select the current price. Then when you go ahead and hit enter, you'll see that it will say Tesla current price 426.47. However, we don't like how close the TSLA, the ticker symbol, is to the current price. So we can go back in here, type and quote space quote, and then and to add a space in between that. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and that looks a little bit better. Tesla current price 426. And then what we need to do is delete that cell reference in our text box and simply reference that cell that we had created. Then go ahead and hit enter, and then that will automatically update whenever we update this. So if we then go back to Apple, then it will automatically update that. Now we can obviously format this around. We can move our text box to cover that so we don't see that cell. But that is how you can link a text box to a cell or multiple cells. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe on your way out. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.